In this video, I will show you how to connect GitHub to your Shopify store. This is actually very easy and done within a few minutes. So let's get started. So first you need to go to Shopify, of course, and then go to online store and then tap on themes over here. Then you see this screen and then you need to tap on add theme. So go to theme library and then tap on add theme. There you can see this option connect from GitHub. So tap on this. And as you can see, build themes faster with GitHub, so you can create your custom theme. Then tap on login to GitHub, then select your email address, login to GitHub, so use your GitHub information, sign in, as you can see, authorize Shopify, of course read through all of this information, and that is it. I will now show you how to add a specific theme from GitHub to Shopify. So what you need to do is you need to select a specific theme or specific project within that you have in GitHub. For example, this theme, and that is it. Now you can tap on connect over here, and that is it. That is now you have connected your GitHub theme to Shopify. It's very easy, very straightforward, and like I said, done within a minute. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.